everyone, Thomas again here at mgmclassiccars.com, coming to you from Edison, Illinois. This right here has an awesome Hugger orange paint. You will be very, very impressed with this 69 first generation Camaro. Body and paint, very straight on the car. Very, very nice paint job. Actually, you can see the radial TA tires with the BFGs. The factory rally wheels on the car are in good condition. Rally black stripes, SS car with the X11 code on the trim tag. Excellent chrome and trim throughout the car. Glass is nice on the car. All the wheel moldings are good. Dual exhaust. Emblems look great. Hood has been set up on this car. As you can see, the little cowl induction there. Okay. Beautiful roof line. There's your antenna, your emblems, your rallies, like I said. Front chrome bumper is in excellent condition, along with the grille. All lights function as they should with the lower spoiler setup, which looks really cool on the bottom there. Front power disc brakes. Yes, it does say 396, but right now it's got a 454 in it, and we'll pop the hood shortly. Door lips interior look really good on the car. Excellent door panels, rockers, inner, outers, door sill plates, seats look great. Center console, car bucket seat, excellent SS steering wheel, dash pad looks great. And when you do turn it on, yes, it is tinted in that green as it should be. Air ventilation setup on the car. Nice, again, center console, horseshoe shifter, triple gauges right in front of the shifter. Your factory, what should I say, your factory opening for the radio, but now it's got like a tape deck set up in it. So it's not original radio, that one's been replaced. Nice package tray, back seat all intact with the seat belts. Trunk looks great. Check out the photos for the trunk. Underneath looks really good. It does have the original 12-volt posi unit in the end, in the rear end. Nice inner outer door jambs on the passenger side. Everything looks solid. Guys, this is a great car. It's a Southern car, not a Midwest car. You're buying something of quality and pure investment grade as well. It's tangible, you can enjoy it. Your investment will increase as time progresses here. Going over the body of the car, beautiful, straight as can be. Okay, no waves, no dents, dings, nothing like that. Everywhere on the car looks excellent. Both quarters look great. And like I said, the door jambs are really nice too. Everything opens and closes as it should. Windows roll up and down as it should. And we're gonna go inside the interior in a moment here, but I just wanted to walk around. I love this angle shot right there. Let's check out the engine compartment. So to open up the hood on a 69 is right here to the left, and boom. You guys ready? Yes, 454. Power steering, power disc brake setup, vintage air conditioning, upgraded aluminum radiator. Look at that. We're gonna fire this up in a minute. Let's check out the interior now. All right. So, let me grab the key. Trunk is clean times 3. All right. All right. So right now it's showing on the odometer 81,000 miles. Obviously it's been rebuilt. We believe that's the original mileage to the car. You got your RPM tech that has been added right there. So we're gonna put the key in the on position, okay? And I wanna turn the lights on here for you. They do light up in green how they're supposed to. There's your left turn signal from the inside. and your right turn signal from the inside. So let's check out the outside and make sure they function. There's your left side. There's the left side front. All right, let's check out now the passenger side turn signal. There we go. I do this because you guys are obviously not here, so I want to show you that, you know, what works, what doesn't work, and all the blemishes, if any. This one doesn't really have any. All right, there's your passenger side turn signal. Obviously, you see your headlights and the rear tail lights. The running rear tail lights do work along with the brake lights. So moving forward, we'll shut that off. Okay, horn button right there, horn button right there. So right now you guys are notified that the horn does not work. Okay. Wipers function. Okay. There's your heat and air conditioning functions. Okay. Shifter's all there. Radio, let's check out the radio. The radio works. All right, now what we're gonna do is fire up the car, a couple pumps. Man, this thing sounds healthy. Everything works on the gauges. By the way, if I didn't talk about the transmission has an Overdrive 700 R4. It's got a nice little cam in it. That sounds good. Let's listen to it from the front. Electric choke setup. Everything looks great. So right down there is a switch, okay, right there that I'm pointing at. And I'll explain. So that switch there is to lock up when you're in overdrive. So that switch should be turned on if you're over 65 miles an hour on the freeway. And what that will do is drop your RPM and lock it in place for better gas mileage. That's been installed. So there you have it, guys. My 1969 X11 Chevrolet Camaro big block 454 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission, 12-bolt posi with power steering, power disc brakes, beautiful, beautiful setup on the car, bucket seat, console, gauges, ready to go. The only thing that doesn't work is the horn. So I just want you guys to be aware of it. There are no nicks and no scratches at all, no rust bubbles underneath. Is very nice. Being a Southern car, I have a free and clear title. So give me a call if you need delivery. Text me, call me, email me with your zip code for a free quote. This has to be transported in an enclosed carrier because of the quality of the vehicle. Also, if you're looking for financing, I can get you guys finance. Credit scores start at 575. So from 575 to 650, you'll need about 10% down. 650, maybe a little bit more, but 650 to 699, definitely 10% down. And if you're in the 7-800s, most likely I can get you done with no money down. Great, great interest rates, no prepayment penalties on my loans. You can pay them off at any time. Call me, text me, email me at 847-848-1850. Let's make sure that we still have this car before you fill out a credit application on my website. Also, it's very important to know what your credit score is so I know what bank to place your file if you're financing. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click the bottom right-hand button. And if you're on Facebook all the time, go to Facebook, type in MGM Classic Cars, like the page, share the page to your friends. We appreciate everything word of mouth. So once again, here you go, guys. My 69 Camaro Big Block. Thanks for watching. My name's Thomas at mgmclassiccars.com.